Namaste students, let us see question number 4 of exercise 10.4, and the question is, if a line intersect two concentric circles with center O at AB CD, then prove that AB is equals to CD. Let us see from the figure, we have a center O and two concentric circles. Concentric means having same center. Means the center of these both circles will be O only. A line intersect both of these circles at A, B, C and D. So, what we have to prove? We have to prove that AB is equals to CD. To prove it, we have to do a small construction here. What is that construction? Draw OE perpendicular to AD. So it will be perpendicular on BC also. So we know that for the solution, we know that perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. If perpendicular bisect the chord means BC, if BC is the chord of smaller circle, it is bisected by which OE. Means BE is equals to EC. In same way, AD is the chord and OE is the perpendicular, and if perpendicular bisect the chord, then AE will be equal to ED. AE will be equal to ED. Now these two relations are given. Let us name them 1 and 2. From these two relations, you have to prove that AB is equals to CD. So we know that if we will decrease or we will subtract this BE from AE, we are left with AB only. In same way, DE minus EC will be equal to CD. Means what we have to do? Subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. What we got after subtracting it? We got AE minus BE will be equals to ED minus EC. Now, AE minus BE will be equal to AB, and ED minus EC will be equal to CD. That is what we need to prove. Hence it is proved. Let us see question number 5 now. It is three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter. Means what is given in the question? We are given a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Then three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on the boundary of this circle. Then Reshma throws the ball to Salma and Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, means the distance between Reshma, let R is Reshma, S is Salma and M is Mandeep. What the question says? The distance between Resma and Salma is 6 meter. Is 6 meter. And same distance between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter. Then we have to find out the distance between Resma and Mandeep. Now how we can do this question? First of all, let us draw, if O is the center, then draw OP perpendicular to chord RM. So what construction we have to do? Draw OP perpendicular to RM, and same draw SP perpendicular to RM again. The perpendiculars will be on the same point because it is an isosceles triangle, and in isosceles triangle also the perpendicular from the vertex bisect the opposite side, and from center also perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So now let us join OM also. Now we have to use triangle OSM, and from this triangle we have to find out the side MP, and we know that RM is double of MP. From this relation we have to find out the length of RM. So first of all, we know the radius is 5 meter. So here OS is also 5 meter. Then let us draw one more perpendicular, that is OQ perpendicular to OQ perpendicular to SM, because OSM is also an isosceles triangle. So OQ bisect the opposite side, therefore the opposite side SM will be equals to 6 meter, and SQ, so in the solution part SQ will be equals to half of SM, which is equals to half of 6 meter, which you can say 3 meter. Now first of all, in a triangle, I am using the shortest method here. So in a triangle OSQ, it is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem we know that OS square, OS is the hypotenuse, OS square is equals to OQ square plus QS square. OQ is perpendicular and QS is base. So H square equals to B square plus P square. So this is given equals to 5 square equals to OQ we have to find out. So keep it as it is, OQ square plus QS we found equals to 3 meter. So 3 square. So from here you can find 5 hafza 25, bring 3 square to the left side, minus 3 3s are 9 equals to OQ square. 16 is equals to OQ square, and 16 we know it is 4 square is equals to OQ square. So therefore OQ will be equals to 4 meter. Now we have to use the concept of area to find out the length PM, because PM is also perpendicular. So to find it out, first of all, if in a triangle OSM, if OS is the base, then area of triangle OSM will be equals to half into, if OS is the base into OS, then PM is the perpendicular into PM, which is equals to half into OS is given equals to 5 into PM we have to find out. And this area of same triangle, area of triangle OSM can be written as half into, if SM is the base, then OQ will be the perpendicular. If SM is base, OQ is the perpendicular, so half into base into perpendicular, which is equals to half into SM is given equals to 6 meter and OQ is we found equals to 4 meter. So 2 2s are 4 and 6 2s are 12 meter square. So now see, these are the areas of same triangle. By equating them, you can find out the value of PM. So name it 1 and this 2. From 1 and 2, we know that half into 5 into PM will be equals to 12 meter square. So this can be written as 5 ones are 5, 5 PM upon 2 equals to 12. Take 2 to the right side, 5 PM equals to 12 multiplied by 2 and PM will be equals to 24 upon 5. So this will be equals to 5 4s are 20 and 5 8s are 40. This is 4.8 meter. Now use this relation, the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So RM is equals to 2 into MP, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 4.8, which will be equals to 9.6 meter. Means the distance between Reshma and Mandeep will be 9.6 meter. This is your required answer. Now let us see question number 6 also. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Means what is given in the question? A circular park is given. Its radius is 20 meter. The radius of the park is 20 meter and let O is the center. Now what is the next statement? 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David, they are sitting at equal distance. Means the distance between A and S, S and D, and A and D is equal. Therefore, triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle. Now, we have to find the length of the string of each phone. They have toy telephone in their hand and their strings are connected with each other, and we have to find out the length of each string. Means we have to find out AS as well as SD as well as AD. So let us suppose AS equals to SD equals to AD will be equals to X. Means the length of each side, let us suppose, equals to X. Now draw perpendicular from the top vertex. You know, in equilateral triangle, In equilateral triangle, the perpendicular and median are the same things. So if I will draw all three perpendiculars, then this O will be the centroid of the triangle. And we know that centroid divides the median in 2:1. Therefore, DO will be equals to, if common factor is K, then DO will be equals to 2K, and if the perpendicular point is P, then OP and OP is equals to K. Now first of all, we have to find out this DP. We know that this DO is the radius of circle, and the radius is given equals to 20 meters. So it means if DO is the radius, then 2K will be equals to 20. From here, K will be equals to 20 upon 2, which is equals to 10 meters. Then, if it is 10 meter, then the length DP will be equals to DO plus OP, which is equals to DO is 20 and OP is 10, which is equals to 30 meters. Now, from triangle ADP, we know that ADP is right angle triangle and perpendicular bisect the chord also. If the length of AS is equals to X, then AP will be half of AS, which is equals to half into X, and can be written as X upon 2. Now, use Pythagoras theorem to find out this X. So we know that AD square will be equals to AP square plus DP square. That is H square equals to B square plus P square. We know that AD is X square and AP we have to find out. So this we took equals to X upon 2. So X upon 2 square plus DP. DP we found equals to 30 meters. So plus 30 square. Now simplify it. X square equals to X upon 2 whole square will be written as X square and 2 square is 4 plus 30 square is 900. Now bring this to the left side. X square will be as it is minus X square upon 4 will be equals to 900. Now simplify it. Take LCM. LCM will be 4. 4 into X square, 4X square, then 1 into X square will be equals to 900. Then 4 minus 1 will be 3X square upon 4 will be equal to 900. Now take 4 to the right side. 3X square will be 900 into 4 and X square will be equals to 900 into 4 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 4 threes are 12. So X will be equal to square root of 4 threes are 1200, which can be written as square root of 3 into 400. So square root of 400 is 20 and square root 3 as it is inside the bracket meter. This is your required answer. Means the length of each string, that is AD equals to AS equals to DS will be equals to 20 square root 3 meter. Is your required answer.